my phone has so low storage that it doesn't work properly. Assortment of food and snacks that we randomly have. Through this doors, bathroom, washing and fridge, and this is my room. Right off the lights. So I'm sharing this room with my sister. And this is our bedroom. She's sleeping on this side, and then I'm sleeping on this side. Then this is our wardrobe. I've just chucked the suitcase in here, and then this is some of our like daily moisturizers and makeup and stuff like that. Yeah. There's so many tourists. The heck? Why? This is that a military ship? Right next to the Sydney Opera House? That mango does look quite good though.
Yeah, I know, right?
Hey! Ta-da! It's like so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god. It's like a tent. I'm just gonna do it to all of them. Wait, you just... That's cool. Oh, no, we need those in Melbourne now. Yeah.
That's cute.
She's called Enjoy Illustrator.
Support independent, local, small business owner artists. It wasn't even that expensive. So this does not count.
She does nursery
as
room
part of my
art.
spending.
And in return for our favors, we get a bunch of really cute cards and postcards.
Exactly.
Oh my god.
That sounded like some skepticism.
Ooh.
The detail is nice. Let's take a nice photo. Maybe I will give one to Amanda, the one that I like the least. Which one will it be?
Perchance the ballet. Oh, but there's something really nice about the ballet.
It might be the mushrooms.
Really?
Because if I want to put these on my shelf, then the mushrooms kind of stand out.
Oh, this one's so cute. They're just staring at a bunch of little things. Was this from her or is this from a different artist? Different. This one's really nice. Yeah, this was from the card. Oh, the capybaras. The capybaras in the river. So cute. And it's so nice because now we have a photo of the Sydney Harbour Bridge. This is a different angle. This is from the other side, I think. But even this was a different I can't believe her name is actually Enjoy. Unless it's...
Wait, is it?
Oh yeah, it's the card says Enjoy soon. Yeah. là so close đến nó mà nó không có đi đâu, just quiet.
Nó rất là vui với lại people đi á.
Wait, they're cute. They're so cute. I really like the pink background. I think the pink background's the best one.